Okay, today we're in the workshop doing a different kind of video, doing an unboxing and initial thoughts and review of the AKASO action camera EK7000. This is a GoPro knockoff that we got on Amazon. I think it was around $80. And it had like over 2,000 positive reviews. I think it was like a 4.5-star rating. Got good hopes for this thing now that I'm starting to film more videos, needing to have an additional camera. So I'm gonna take it out of the box, open it up, go over what's in there, and just initial thoughts on it. I'll preface this by saying I have zero experience with action cameras, so this isn't going to be a comparison to the GoPro or to anything like that. Just taking it out of the box. Let's just kind of see what's in there and how it operates, at least initially, and what I think about it. So gonna get right to it. Actually, I already started to cut it open. Take this off here. It's got a nice plastic shell up there, and open this up. Again, this is the AKASO action camera EK7000 Ultra HD 4K edition. You can tell I really don't know what I'm talking about, but I can read what's on the box here, so don't be alarmed, viewers. You are in good hands. It's got a integrated wireless network, waterproof casing, inputs and outputs, micro USB, HDMI. I guess that's good. Super 170-degree wide-angle lens, and a storage is the micro SD HC card, not included. So you're going to need one of those. It says it has wireless connection, HDMI compatible, and waterproof up to 98 feet. Don't know if I'll ever use that functionality, the waterproof part of it, but good to know. Looks like it comes with some kind of splash-proof, waterproof remote, and some more specs on the back. Integrated wireless network. I don't know, this lighting is terrible, and maybe I'll get better with this new camera. Super wide angle lens, 170 degrees, 2.4G remote control included, 2-inch LCD display. Talked about the micro SD HC card. It comes with some mounts and accessories. 4K definition, video, blah blah blah, 1080p, 60 frames per second. Photo 12 megapixel, 8 megapixel, 5 and 4 at JPEG. It's got a 1050 milliamp hour batteries, and times 2. I wonder if that means there's 2 batteries in there. Waterproof up to 98 feet, multi-language, yes. Wireless connection, yes. Made in China. Some more stuff there. Okay. And take this out. Oh. Don't really know how. Oh, I think we got a side door here. Whole bunch of stuff jammed in there. Looks like a couple of swivel mounts. Tripod swivel mounts here. Set those aside. I probably need a better tripod to get a better angle on the dangle here. Got some, looks like some self-adhesive Titan mounts. Got some other type of adapter here, probably for adapting this. Some kind of swivel adapter. And a USB to micro USB cable. Looks like a hat clip visor or hat bill, visor bill type mount clip on there. This thing will slide into something. Another swivel adapter. Lots of adapters here. Okay, this must be wireless remote. Looks like it's got a couple of loops on it for a wristband or an armband or something like that, but that's handy. Put that there. And a Velcro strap. Probably goes with this. Strap it to your wrist. Looks like a handlebar mount, maybe, or some type of tubing mount here. I don't know if you can see that, but this would clamp to a tube. Got a couple of things to clamp it down there, and then the slotted thing there for the adapter to go into. It's good to know. It's good to know. I was going to go out and order a bunch of this stuff, but I'm probably not going to need to now. Looks like a lens cloth. Couple of extra double-sided self-stick adhesive pads, some zip ties, and a little metal cable with loops on the ends. Not sure what you would use that for. Maybe to lock it to something, keep it from walking away, but it's good to have. Looks like some more straps here of some form or fashion. Velcro straps and some type of a buckle strap. Put that there. Let's see. Looks like another clip type adapter. A lot of different ways to mount this guy. I'm surprised it came with so much. This looks like part of the waterproof case, maybe, or a way to mount the case to something. It's got a looks like a 1/4 threaded adapter at the bottom of it. Put that over there. Looks like battery charger, dual port battery charger, I'm guessing here. It's got a micro USB input. Bag that goes with that. Another swivel adapter. I need 2 or 3 of these things. I don't know if they're different sizes or what, but probably will come in handy for something. But wait, there's more. Yeah, looks like a battery here. 1050 milliamp hour battery. Get this to focus. Yeah, it's not going to focus, but anyways, it says don't dispose of in fire. Alright, keep that in mind, guys. Very important. And, oh, another battery. Another battery. So 2 batteries come with this kit. Again, I have no idea what your actual name brand GoPro comes with, but I'm thinking this is a pretty all-inclusive, pretty good kit. This looks like part of the waterproof case or part of something. Part of something. Don't know what, but I'll figure it out at some point. And we got some instrucciones here, quick reference guide. Basically, I guess you got to download an app on your phone, put a battery in, put the case on, put the battery in again, take some picture, put the card in, take a picture, take a video, some QR codes. Gosh, how instructions have changed. Remember back in the day, something like this would come with a booklet about this big and about that thick of instructions. Now it's just one little page here and get on your smartphone and figure it out. We got instructions. We got some kind of offer code or offer brochure here. Leave an honest product review on Amazon. Follow the information at camerasales@gmail.com. Put in an order ID number. And I guess you get some free accessories. That's pretty kick-ass. Yeah. Pretty cool. Might be doing that. Maybe they'll watch this video and see. I'll put that back here. Silica desiccant gel. Don't throw away, or don't eat it. Throw it away. of this before I try to eat it. Maybe I should. Okay, now I don't want to eat it as much. All right, so that was everything that was in the box. Empty. A lot of stuff. A lot of stuff. I'm surprised it came with so many adapters and accessories. That's pretty cool. And all right, so I figured this guy out here, how we get this off. Somebody's watching this going, man, you have no idea what you're talking about. And you know what? You're probably right, but making a video and you're watching it, so hey, we're both here. Let's enjoy it. Man, that's really in there. Okay, well, I'm going to unscrew this guy because that's something I understand. They've got it in there so tight. Holy moly. The strongest guy on the assembly line tighten this thing down. There she goes. Just need a few ugga-duggas there. Again, I know somebody's watching this going, man, it's so easy to get that off, and I'm probably missing something, but you know what? Never dealt with these before, so figuring out the best I can. So, all right, we got the camera off here. As you can see, they got it encased in the waterproof case. Ooh, we got some getting started instructions. Peel the film off the camera screen, camera lens, and of the waterproof case. Make sure the battery is full of power for the first time use. Format your micro SD card, not included, firstly in the camera before using. Make sure you do that firstly. Okay. Yep. Pops up like that. Seems pretty straightforward. Okay. Yeah, this little guy comes out here like that. Goes in the case. One of these waterproof buttons. Got a little plastic protective thing on the lens here. On this side, we've got our, looks like a micro USB and a mini USB, two different sizes there. I don't know if using the proper terminology on that second one there, the lower one, but got a different format there. Maybe that's the HDMI, micro HDMI, I don't know. On the back here, you got another little plastic protector over the screen, and some buttons here. Don't know what all this does, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside. Come back to this, see if I can figure out. Maybe this guy doesn't come off. Looks like it should come off. I'd be doing something wrong. Oh, squeeze it. Yep, there we go. Bingo. Bob's your uncle. Okay, give these little things a squeeze. Give them a squeeze on the side and it comes out. Okay. Let's pop a battery in. I don't have a micro SD card right now, but we'll pop a battery in, see if she fires up. That's something you want to be careful of. This little battery door, it just pops right off. You can see myself losing that at some point, possibly, hopefully not. Grab battery here, and if you look down in there, you can see, oh, maybe you can't see the lighting, but there's 3 prongs on this side in the back, and so we're going to line these up. I'm guessing it's going to go just like that. Goes in with a little bit of a, you can feel it kind of click right in there. All right, snaps. And Hold it down maybe. Yep. Okay, we got lights. We got display, no card. Full battery. Alright, so this thing comes pretty much ready to use right out of the box. As long as you got a micro SD card to go in it. Pretty neat little device. I think for 80 bucks you can't go wrong. Especially compared to what the real GoPro costs right now. We'll give it a shot. I'll start filming some videos with this thing, figuring it out. Not a super in-depth review. I'll probably do a follow-up at a later date. Probably do a follow-up at a later date with this thing once I figure it out, kind of learn how to use it a little bit. But so far, pretty impressed with what came in the package. Everything looks like fairly decent quality stuff. I mean, it's all plastic, so you know, how bad can it be? But yeah, it came with a lot of accessories, a lot of different things here. I'll have to dive into the instruction manual and figure out a lot of these things. I won't bore you with all those details, but you know, for somebody getting into making YouTube videos, or into you know, if you're doing any kind of action sports or whatever and looking for an action camera that's a little bit more durable than filming on your cell phone, this might be the way to go, to take a chance for $80. And you know, the specs, certainly if it lives up to what the specs claim, it's, you know, almost you know, pound for pound the same specs as the actual GoPro. So I don't think you can go wrong with this. Time will tell. Video is getting kind of long, so I'm going to wrap it up. But thanks for watching. If you got any specific questions about this, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Like I said, I really am not a action camera expert, so I'm not sure if I'll be the best one to answer them or not. But I'll be happy to tell you, share whatever information I can with you, and post follow-ups in the future as I go.